What's up, Pyros? We got a little demo. I made my own little shell. I don't know if it'll come out. It's pretty packed in it pretty good. But it's about 2 inches. 2-inch shell by 1-inch diameter. I put flying fish in it and a couple stars and about 2 grams of flash. 3 grams of lift, BP. So we'll see if that goes up in the air and functions right. And then for them people making them cherry bombs and giving me blue balls. I got a little bit of flash powder on the fuse, so it got me skeptic of lightning, so I put an extension. So let's go do some demos and piss some people off. What are you guys doing, my boys? Get back. Stay. Quiet. Okay. That's ready. Alright. Fire in the hole. Oh, don't do anything stupid. Come on, baby. You're far enough back. Blue balls. These blue balls ain't no joke. Falling over here. It worked. That was like one of those little zip things. With flying fish. Cool. Hell yeah, guys. Petey. Like, subscribe. And don't worry, the giveaway's coming. I ain't forgot about you guys.